So today we're gonna open, I don't know what it is, but it says my name, so let's open it. I have no idea what to do. I think I know what it is. It's my, I'll blur that out. Yeah, I want you guys to be a surprise for you guys. Let me open it down here so I don't show my address. Okay.
Pick it up.
I will.
I thought you were going to do unboxing. Hey, off.
It's
No.
big into energy. Okay, it's
Off. Hey.
Pop Mart. That's fake. Just get into it. Yeah. What's it gonna be? Yes! It's fake. Yay! Oh my god, it's so cute! It's so
We're not picking her up at the airport, bringing her.
Oh my god, look at it! Can it stand up? Nope, it doesn't stand up. It's so cute! Guys, I got the one I wanted. And I don't think it's a blind bag. I think it...
What do I need for the...
La boo boo, la boo la boo, la boo boo. The monster. Big into energy. Big into energy. What else is in here? Oh! I got the secret one. Except, this is fake. You wanna know why? Because you could choose. You could choose what it was gonna be. I don't know why this is here, because you can choose. It's just to show. That's the one I got, guys. You can even pretend to unbox it too. Okay, just pretend that I don't get it. It's all in China letter. Let's see if we can put it on my cute bag. Okay, but this Labubu is so cute. I've never actually had one in my life. So this is the first. Let's see. We'll see you guys next video and peace out.